Francine, we need to go home and talk. I'm having an affair with a homosexual giant.
Stan? What are you doing? You're Steve's bully?
Oh, gotta go to my xylophone lesson.
Goodbye, Steve. And hello, desk sandwich.
Stan, come back here! Stan, get back here!
Hold! This!
Open the door, you son of a bitch!
Can't hear you. Tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights are faded? And that heaven is... Francine, you T-boned me, bro.
Stop bullying our son!
It's for his own good. He needs to learn to stand up for himself.
He's fine the way he is!
Look, I'm not going to push him around forever, just until he fights back.
You're crazy!
I heard an accident.